invite cho bài viết của Simple English mizo YouTube channel trang lệ Facebook page trang lâu lom việc chiều tuân tu mà hiện nên hay các student các school nào bằng và khán nên hiện nên video kan lâu xem đó này cái chú camera các kinh cái lâu lắm về thấy đó nữa đi mizo in cái zo ta ngã mizo cái zo na khá sapin lâu let par đó này are you ready Thursday?
Yes.
Kan in zo ma hiện nên admin le akom veli kan zo đó này. Ole Thursday, how are you today?
Yes, I'm fine.
Can you please tell me your full name?
My full name is Leramdin Thari.
Wow, really?
Yes.
It is a nice name. How old are you?
I am 14 years old.
Wow, very good. Okay, let's go on. And each one I will ask you in Mizo, please say in English, okay?
Yes.
What I said. And each one in tunge in ek in a emek and each one.
Who is pooping in your toilet?
Very good. Tunge kauche and each one.
Who calls you?
And each one tunge hauche.
Who calls you?
Tunge fakderche and each one.
Who flatters you?
Phân thiam về true lẽ mày. Each one tunge relche.
Who gossips you?
Very good. And each one tunge ka phone la and each one.
Who takes my phone?
Okay. And each one nizana tunge ka apple aya and each one.
Who ate my apple last night?
Very good. And each one tukina tunge kabong nute in and each one.
Who drank my milk in this morning?
Very good. And each one in biag in bulay lo omta biag ina kanin mi pakhat kanin asa la sata. Each one tunge zai mek chu. And each one how to say in English?
Who is singing?
Very good. One more time.
Who is singing?
Okay. Email tri lo deu kanin iming ngin lo ko chia. Thirte lo ti chia. Each one tunge ka ming shil che khatingan zo du na khain tingan soyang.
Who told you my name?
Very good. Ifan thiam ve true le mai.
Simple English Mizo YouTube channel lo subscribe về rồi.